Welcome to the amazing Hostinger summer coupon code deal. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this, and now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% coupon code discount. But before we start, you can see around the word summer sales right now 80%. If you click on the link in the description, use that of my coupon code, make it 95%. 30 days money back guarantee is a next very good feature by Hostinger. Now look around on the reviews on Trustpilot. Is an industry independent review based website, and let's see what the people are saying regarding Hostinger. I have over 130 domains, 5-star. The Hostinger Blue bullet tools for your website are a lot less technical and easier to use. I had a very positive experience with the Hostinger support. So almost all of the reviews are 5-star or 4-star reviews. But the best thing is that with 30 days money back guarantee, you don't need to be worried with it. Some of the reviews people are saying regarding Hostinger. Now scroll below. Hostinger supports WordPress websites. So if you plan to create your website on WordPress like my own, you can easily create through it. Also, if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service where you have either one website or 100 websites. They're going to shift that to all of free of cost. And if you look around on the competitor prices of more than $2,400, if you had to pay this on a competitor, that is completely free with Hostinger. So enjoy this coupon code deal with another great amazing feature. And right now 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it as well, and I want you guys to be the part of this amazing family as well. Scroll below. And now directly move over to the plans. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, cancelling time, 24/7 support. So my recommendation is to do thorough research of all the plan feature function before you get your 95% discount on any of the plan. If you ask me what plan I'm using the unlimited, also known as the business plan, from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. So you can use this one as well, and it is currently 80%. I'm going to make it 95% for you. So once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of your preferred plan. The discount coupon code is valid on any of the plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing deal. Now, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. But these are special summertime deals and the prices won't appear again. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it by opting for the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money. After opting for the 48 months, write your domain over here. Please keep in mind the free domain is only valid for the first year, so you have to pay additional for the second year. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. The free domain can also later on be chosen through the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. Now once you apply over here, you can see your order summary over here. So now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code over here, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply the coupon code over here, so remember you got 80% discount over here. After this daily backup, reach 100 coupon, free domain, 10% through it. So even though 10% plus 80% is 90%, plus daily backup, reach coupon, additional free domain, plus you are getting free email boxes as well for 1 year as well. So it's a lot more saving than 95%, but make it 95% for you. Your 30 days money back guarantee is valid. Now once your coupon code is applied, simply select the continue over here to enjoy this amazing coupon code deal from Hostinger. After this, you are being moved on to the last page. Now you may be asked to synchronize with your Hostinger account, or need to create a new Hostinger account, or you can synchronize on your Google account over here and move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, but before you pay, see your order summary over here. Everything is fine. Your coupon code is applied. Your coupon discount is valid. Now after this, move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment. Now Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, and they offer you even country specific additional payment methods as well. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose to pay your payment at Hostinger and enjoy your amazing coupon code deal. So let's say I'm going to credit card. Simply select the credit card, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once you select the submit payment, within a few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, these are limited time summer deals, so I want you guys to take the advantage of it by simply clicking on the link in the description. Use either of the coupon code and enjoy your amazing Hostinger summer deals, so the prices won't come appear again. So take the advantage of it. Click on the link in the description, use either of the coupon code, and enjoy my tutorial to get up to 95% discount. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.